Hi guys, welcome back to Fellas Haven. Today we're going to be working on these jeans. I've gained weight so I can no longer fit in this, so I've decided to turn them into a top. The material does not stretch, and this is me just showing you guys how the jeans look from the back and the overall look of the jeans. So firstly, we want to maximize every material we can get from the jean. I am going to cut it out from the point that I showed you, the inside part. That's where I'm just cutting, so that I open up the jeans to get more material to be enough to make a top. When you finish cutting, set it up like this, so that you can have the bulk of the material to make a top that you'll be able to fit in. Remember, the material does not stretch, so we need each and every piece that we can get from these jeans. I'm using a top that I already had in my wardrobe for the shape of the top that I want to make. I'm just going to mark right round. This is me cutting the front and the back all together. After marking, it should look something like this, and then you just cut where you have marked, and make sure you have put seam allowance for your top to be able to fit, because I'm not going to be putting any zip on this. I need it to be free to put on and off. After cutting, we're going to work on the neckline for both the front and the back, and I'm going to be using a bias tape. This is how it should look after pressing it. Go ahead to join the shoulders so that we can move to working on the side sleeves. That is, you're also going to use a bias tape for the sleeves, and that's how it's looking so far. Next, we're going to join the sides of the top, both sides. That is the overall look of the top. And now, because the top had pockets and things like that, you see that patch, I'm going to redesign it and put little flowers. And then for the hem, I'm just going to fray the bottom part of the top. I'm just going to fray it instead of hemming it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, take care of yourself and take care of each other.